Abdullah says, I heard a hadith that we must not wipe our faces after wudu because every drop that falls indicates that a sin is forgiven. Is that true? The answer is no. This is not true at all. The issue of washing your face and your arms and the sins fall with the last drop that comes out from your face, from your beard, from your arms, this is authentic. But it doesn't say that if I wipe these organs that the sins will not go away. No. There is a hadith where the Prophet ﷺ performed wudu and one of the mothers of the believers came to him with a towel, so he did this. He rejected it. This is one single hadith. Some scholars said that, this is because it's best to have it dry by itself, but there is no indication in the hadith, none whatsoever. It could have been that the Prophet was hot, he didn't want to dry it, he wanted to cool down. It could have been that the towel given to him had something that repelled him and he did not feel good about it. There can be a number of reasons, but there is nothing at all wrong in wiping and drying your limbs after performing wudu, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.